Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Omni. Welcome to our channel. Today we will cut floor mat with digital cutting machine, and later I will show you how we cut it. We will cut Omni logo on the floor mat. The cutting speed is 80 mm per second. It takes 50 seconds to complete the cutting. Suppose it works 8 hours a day. The output is around 500 pieces of mat every day. The efficiency is extremely high than manually. Before cutting, we have imported logo.xf file into the controller. The controller then gives command to cutting head. The knife we use is oscillating knife. Usually, for floor mat cutting, we suggest oscillating knife and rotary wheel. When the cutting is done, the cutting head will pause for several seconds, then it will move away from current cutting area. Remember to do some tests before work starts, then you can reduce unnecessary waste. Now you can take out the cutting pieces to check the cutting quality. From the video, you can find out that the cutting edge is clean and tidy. Also, it's very fast for the cutting speed. So, level up your floor mat cutting skill by using a digital cutting machine. It's Amanda from Omni. Welcome to subscribe our channel.